What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Pokemon I was about to say Pokemon Evolutionaries, the Pokemon Slayer YouTube channel. And today, I have some Pokemon packs for y'all. And yeah, let's get into this. I'm opening them up. Oh my goodness! Thank you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess Psychic. Yes! So, Psychic Energy, Dedenne, Unit Energy, Gabite, Goomy, Skiddo, Dewpider, Scatterbug, Goomy, and we have a reverse rare and Hollow Goodra. I was hoping I was gonna get an ultra rare or something out of the pack. Next up, Crimson Invasion. Man, what is happening? Another white code card. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. I felt texture. Lightning. It's fire. Pure fire. So we have Alana, Tormenting Spray, Charmeleon, Tangela, Sandygast, Hoot Hoot. Are these from Crimson Invasion? Guys, I'm getting stuff from Burning Shadows. That's weird. Dewpider, NK, Alolan Marowak. What? I got a hollow as a reverse, and the rare is a full art Katana. What? I'm confused. I got a hollow for a reverse. That was an error pack. That's awesome. Now on to Burning Shadows. Oh my gosh. Alright. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Fairy, of course. So I got Fairy Energy, Bouffalant, told y'all. I told y'all. That came from Burning Shadows. Oh, that was an error pack. That's awesome. So Charmeleon, Olivia, Pansage, Stuffle, Pikachu, Meowth, Croagunk. Hold on. We got a green code and got an ultra rare. Wait, where's my reverse? This is really weird, guys. But I'll take it. Okay. Last pack is Ultra Prism. Alrighty. If this is weird, I'm hoping, please be an error, please be an error. I'll say Fire. Of course you'd be Psychic. So I got Ancient Crystal, a Drifblim, Gabite, Gibble, another Gibble, a Ryloop, that's the perfect Garchomp pack, Snover, Glameow, a Roserade reverse rare, and the rare is a Garchomp. This is a good episode, I got a hollow rare and a GX in a pack, and then I got a Darkrai out of a green code pack. This is awesome. So, later guys, hope y'all enjoyed this episode or pack opening, whatever you want to call it, but enjoy and have an amazing day. God bless you in every way. No sound.